Yes, good afternoon, Delta. I got a shocking call from a lady who reached out to me from Facebook yesterday that her 30-year-old daughter, whom she sent to his baby father over this school holiday, for a 1 month holiday, that she just found out that they said the baby is sick and the baby died. And nobody reached out to her to tell her that the child was sick. The 13-year-old girl, that the child was sick and the child died, and they buried the child. They did not reach out to her to say your daughter is sick. They did not reach out to her to say your daughter is in the hospital. The only thing she heard from an anonymous caller was that her daughter is dead, and that has put her in an emotional state. And even me as well, I'm perplexed that such evil.
If now my aunt, make me say reverse is the case. If not my aunt, that pikin died. The way they talk on that day for they say, they for no allow me carry the pikin come the compound. They for burn me if I carry the body come the compound. Oh, and my pikin, I want to do video for so they do justice for my daughter Davina. Pikin with me and I get sense together. And they grow, my pikin, they grow. Dear God. And they get sense. They get sense. Because pikin when I come when I don't get sense. That's so I try. I say I'm too young. That mistake. I don't plan that. Mistake. Come on. Because I say this person when I get up for so he no work, no be him and what to. I drop the kid for my mama. That go school. Zoro poly. That go school. From school. I go faint. My mama go say the boy don't bring anything. You know they bring anything. My pikin they select food. Even up till tomorrow. About the biggest pikin they select food. You go buy them today. You don't go drink her tomorrow. I'll go find money. Bye. Now I come back, carry my mama. I will my pikin. We come out, go stay for Wigili. And then continue live life. Oh, they manage the pikin. Oh, they go. They are no get. I go enter bush, go find money. You don't get business and I know they do. All this fine game that they do for social media, that make people don't see I they die. People don't see my life don't get anything. See now only picking. And that because the person will see marry me. He come marry me. Voila, family. Pikin go popo family. And so marriage scatter. Pikin out of anger. Pikin with a board. It don't be like pikin with a board. So they see herself at times with this person. Hell, the girl I never start life. When I was my own. My son, I did very partial, no go lie. I did partial to that, my son. Because I don't see where he did. The papa gallant, you know, they use that in the play. Papa stand, you know, they use that in the play. Grandmama stand. That family soft, and they go feel manage, take care of the picking. Now when I feel like I they go see that boy, oh. And that picking now. Everybody tell me say, oh, Docas, you still have his son. Where this son? And what would you open my mouth say? Tell the man say, my picking Davina don't die. You come now after many years. Say you go by mama's side. You see the picky. When I go that side for party now, you see her on a full family. When I see the picky, he say, Docas, you try, yo. Thank you. I could have visit a better person. Say, you don't change, yo. Then he say, Docas, you try, yo. I say, yes, I try. What I go do? Because I don't like wahala. Now say no problem, go dey assist. But make I Lara see the pikin anytime I want see the pikin. I say no problem. I go allow you see him anytime you want see the pikin. The pikin see the day when they see the papa. When they come for holiday. I mean I come with a fever. Say so you this pikin when I now your papa you gonna cry. Say you want to see today go cry. I want to go and see my uncle. Tomorrow we go cry. I want to go and see my daddy. Next tomorrow you go cry. I want to go and see my uncle. I want to go and see the yo-yo. I want to go and see the yo-yo. I say okay. Holiday don't finish. She will get some more malaria at that period. We can't treat her. Say okay, mom, make sure say she dey okay before she go her papa place. Treat her well.